the fascinating world of honeybees. Honeybees, scientifically known as Apis mellifera, are remarkable insects that play a crucial role in ecosystems and agriculture. Their intricate social structure, diligent work ethic, and remarkable communication abilities have captivated scientists and beekeepers alike. In this report, we will delve into the fascinating world of honeybees, exploring their biology, behavior, and importance to our environment. Honeybees belong to the order Hymenoptera and are close relatives of ants and wasps. They have a complex body structure consisting of three main parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. Their bodies are covered in fine hairs that help them collect pollen and distribute it within the hive. One of the most distinctive features of honeybees is their unique method of communication through dance, known as the waggle dance, which they use to convey information about the location of food sources to other members of the colony. Honeybees are highly social insects that live in colonies consisting of thousands of individuals. Each colony is organized into a caste system with three main types of bees: the queen, drones, and workers. The queen bee is the sole reproductive female in the colony and is responsible for laying eggs. Drones are male bees whose primary role is to mate with the queen. Workers, which are sterile females, perform various tasks such as foraging for food, caring for the young, and defending the hive. The life cycle of a honeybee begins when the queen lays an egg in a cell of the honeycomb. After hatching, the larva is fed a diet of royal jelly by the worker bees. Depending on the larva's diet and the size of the cell, it will develop into either a queen or a worker bee. Drones are produced from unfertilized eggs laid by the queen. Once mature, the new bees emerge from their cells and assume their respective roles within the colony. Honeybees play a crucial role in pollination, which is essential for the reproduction of many flowering plants, including numerous crops that humans rely on for food. Without honeybees, the production of fruits, vegetables, and nuts would be severely compromised. In addition to their agricultural importance, honeybees also contribute to the biodiversity of ecosystems by pollinating wildflowers and other native plants. Despite their vital role in ecosystems and agriculture, honeybees face numerous threats, including habitat loss, pesticide exposure, pathogens, and parasites, such as the varroa mite. These factors have contributed to declines in honeybee populations worldwide, posing a significant risk to food security and biodiversity. Honeybees are truly remarkable creatures with a complex biology and social structure. Their importance to ecosystems and agriculture cannot be overstated, making their conservation and protection a matter of global concern. By understanding the biology and behavior of honeybees, we can work towards ensuring their survival and the preservation of the invaluable services they provide to our planet.